What's up, Vibes family? Welcome back to the channel. As promised, people, today is my update on the whole World Dawg shooting. As far as you know, so World Dawg did have surgery, and the surgery was a success. You know, me I say him get shot up in him hand and it broke up him bone them and thing. So hopefully say him under that damage and lead to long-term, you know me I say, health issue as far as him and is concerned. And we just wish him a speedy recovery, feel me, people? But like I say, people, I'll just take a look on this situation because it's going to lead me to speculate a whole heap of things. We enough people name a call and thing. And remember, people say we wasn't there as the viewers who are watching this. We are just hear things and I see things and just, I wonder what I want. But one day we'll all know the truth and thing, people. So I could dive into this thing and see what I want, and maybe it give you a different perspective on the whole situation. Now, as we all know, say World Dawg recently was in Jamaica for Swiss League birthday party and thing. The whole of the man them enjoy themselves and thing, people. But we also see him in the studio with Ding Dong, and them a perform a song with, I guess, Soon Forward and thing. So make we take a look and listen and see what I go on panelic thing.
That is swag. And them say chip it. Fresher than diabetic food with the rooftop chip. Chromance jeans with the 2 grand kicks. Some bad dolly yes with the full of antics. Phone load up a gal that we send no ticks. Slave master when they pull up them whips. Got a social chip, we stack them chips. Y'all make them a money if you work on this. If you chatty rhymes, I go stitch them lips. World thing, I like that swag back top. LV shows match with the Louis bag. Me no mismatch, me no mix brand that ram. If you step on the shoes, I step on 3 grand. Designer expensive, watch a Cartier. Chain this is far, make you a John here. When we go Gucci shopping and I just one tier. Team of a clean, full of clothes like wearing. Who know it up it, pretty like a chick, body black and we are not it. Clean like a day, body with the life stopping. I young tools, all beside the body. You're on this body, every girl in the town, and you look like Dolly. You're right back, but you got a dilly morning. World Dawg, we are born and slam. Look on the chain, pussy them shame. Come and drive down, call up in the air.
No, people, we can all see that was just recently in Jamaica, Yeah, the man them enjoy themselves, feel me? Yeah, just what they are Jamaica. And then it go from that to this.
Also turning deadly, actually, in Miramar.
One person was killed and another injured after gunfire erupted in a Dunkin' parking lot early this morning. Local 10 News reporter Joseph Ojo is live at the scene.
And please fill us in on the latest on this investigation, Joseph.
And Christy and Janice, sadly, one man is dead, another injured after an early morning shooting that did happen behind me here on the street in Miramar. Family members who did show up to the scene, they were understandably devastated after hearing this news. Now police, they are trying to figure out what exactly did lead up to the shooting.
I heard at least 5. They were one after the other. Boom, 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 boom.
Sky 10 flying above, a fatal shooting in Miramar.
This morning at 3:29 a.m., police received several shot spotter alert calls for several rounds being fired in the area of 6190 Miramar Parkway.
Patricia Riviera, who lives nearby, says she heard the shots near Southwest 62nd Avenue and Miramar Parkway Tuesday morning.
3:29 exactly a.m. I hear multiple gunshots, one after the other after the other. I was like, oh my God, those are gunshots. Those aren't fireworks.
Police would show up to this Dunkin' Donuts and find shell casings in the parking lot.
However, they were not able to locate any victims or involved vehicles.
Shortly after, they received additional 911 calls, one from a man already at Memorial Regional Hospital with a gunshot wound, and the other 911 call came from this scene near State Road 7 and Southwest 23rd Street, where our cameras captured a BMW with its doors open, police talking with witnesses, and at least one person taken away in cuffs. Police say a man died here from his injuries after being shot. Family members showing up to the scene overcome with emotion. The news so devastating for the victim's pregnant wife, she was taken away by EMS. Though police believe it started at the Dunkin', they say both parties left the area following the shooting. And as for what exactly led up to the shooting, that is still under investigation at this time.
And so when it does come to that man that did show up to Memorial Regional with that gunshot wound, we're told his injuries were non-life threatening at this time. Police knew any information they can to help solve this case. So if you do have any information.
No, people, like we were saying, so fast things change. Man just there Jamaica were there, forward block up and thing and that reaching. Now here's a video with him and Squashman, you know me I say, and I call him Squash name and the thing, you know, people. That's why I say it will always lead to a whole heap of speculation, you know, people are going to call up people name, I said this, I said that, and none of the people who I call up people name, them is no eyewitness to everything and thing. Them is no eyewitness to the situation. But like me say, in the Jamaican thing, brother, people are going to say this, people are going to say that, people are going to say all sorts of things, ass dead and cow fat. But we have to wait and just watch where I go and keep on the ears open. Because sooner or later, once World Dawg heal up and thing, most likely I'm going to forward out and address the situation. So that may I say people. So we could just give the thing some time and make we listen more.
That the bullets broke the bones in his hand, in his arms, so they're going to do a surgery too. But yes, I don't want to have to sub the comments, you know, so don't make me have to do that. I don't want to have to do that today. Well, Yannick nervous wreck right now. Yannick not tap ball every 10 minutes. It rough. It rough pan her bad. Cause you know she having 2 kids them down there and it's hard.
Like a bad mind, blood clot people, them when them come a foreign, they left bad mind at Jamaica with them. Then carry that blood clot come with them same way. I bet if World Dawg nothing in a go on for World Dawg, nobody would know want shoot him. You see, uno blood clot boy, we say uno World Dawg a friend whole of uno. Where one of uno me say uno come on TikTok I promise all the man shot. Uno figure a blood clot prison whole of so uno keep all the youth and do uno nothing pussy whole of uno. Uno bad mind, me tell uno every day, no say you see Jamaica blood clot people.
Boy, if me turn on my live and bomb buckler attack. Remember this boy, remember you sit down and chat Squashman them, you know, batty boy. Remember good no boy. Remember good no dog, a whole heap of things me not talk, oh yes sir. You hear that? Batty boy, remember you talk about God missing up in a dog and Squashman they want to kill you in a dog. A whole heap more in a dog, remember good no man. A whole heap more you chat and for blood clot chat them kill you now.
Guys, when a big man level still, you know, when I mix up time, I mix up time. When a time for bring down somebody, a time for bring them down. Guys, first thing I want to say, I get well soon, World Dawg. You see me? Based off of how I see everybody a twist and turn the situation, enough for them don't know what I want. Like, brother, my instincts just a tell me, say, see that border right there, when name Butter, him set up World Dawg.
Boy, if me turn on my live and bomb buckler attack. Remember this boy, remember you sit down and chat Squashman them, you know, batty boy. Remember good no boy. Remember good no dog, a whole heap of things me not talk, oh yes sir. You hear that? Batty boy, remember you talk about God missing up in a dog and Squashman they want to kill you in a dog. A whole heap more in a dog, remember good no man. I hold it when you chat and for blood clot chat them kill you now.
Go and suck out your mother, every part of your mama. Go suck out every part of your mother, sinner. How can you say that? I borrow money from you. You the one borrow the money from me, sinner. The proof is there. 2,500 you need to pay me. Pay me my fucking money, drunk or shit. You want to look big to people that I owe you? Pay me my fucking money
see and hear the bad news. Whether you see it on the TV or you open TikTok and see it, what you can do right now is pray for World Dawg. Because you want to know what worse than bad news and news? Wrong news. I see some of you turn on live and you talk like you was on the scene when it happened. Some of you spread the wrong news and talk like and point finger. You don't know more than authorities and police. And a youth lose his life in a situation too. Condolences to him and his family. How about you pray for Fim family? Fim family I go through a rough patch too. You see me? Pray for World Dawg, speedy recovery. You see me I say? And stop spread the wrong news. Some of you post about it or you not even use the word allegedly. You see me I say? Just pray for the people involved in the thing and make authorities do them job and you know what I mean and get to the nitty-gritty.
Big my friend come to Jamaica. Big my friend enjoy himself. Ask the man them bro. Ask 6 them bro. Ask the whole of them bro. If me not call them phone over and over. Bro, no go to 6 them they around me. Donna them, Candy them, Rosalie. Ask the whole of them bro. Ask Lulu them, Alanja them, Rebel. You know good, every minute I call them bro. Cause I meet them there bro. I meet them come to Kingston. Right round the clock bro, I call them bro. Ask any one of them. Them can't, every one of them I call Lulu round the clock. I call Alanja, I call 6, I call Candy, I call Donna. Right round the clock bro. Till me know so them gone, when me know so them out of my protection, know them good. Right round the clock. Ask them if I lie me I tell. Check up on them as the party done. If my drive off left them, bro, no reaching. Spontaneity no reaching. Teamless no reaching. Cause I me make one there, bro. And once I'm reaching them text me and say, bro, I'm there home. I say, alright, good. I'm gonna set up my friend, bro. You know the certain videos my friend get shot in a man and my next dog dead. Want you to me know. But come let me know him for 5 years, bro. The man dead left him pitney them, bro. The man dead left him youth in bro.
No, my people, can you imagine how are you like Swiss Lee feel, say people accuse him, say him set up him bridging. Feel me? Yeah man, you can see it in the man face, brother. You know? But like me I say, you know, people, I got have people just call up people name, I said this and I said that, you know. Yeah, we know, say I saw it going on the streets, you know. Whether the real streets or the YouTube streets or TikTok streets, you know, people always I say this, say that, I say that. I feel like that person, that person I say this and them do have no proof, have nothing. Feel me? Nobody was an eyewitness. Where I make all of them comment, your brother, on the scene and can say, yeah man, I see that person, him do it and Ray. Everybody just assume because based on the thing with them say I go on over TikTok. You feel me? I say, yeah, based on the things with them say I go on over there, just lead to more speculation and more speculation on top of speculation. Feel me? But people, let me know what you think of this World Dawg situation. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Feel me? And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up for me. Like up the video, people, so YouTube can send out the video to more people like yourself. You feel me? Send out the video, people. Give me 100 likes on that video, people. Give me 100 likes, you feel me? And share it, people, and leave in a comment, you feel me? And with that said, people, we catch you in the next video. You feel me? Jaja know.